The African Union is gearing up to celebrate 60 years since its inception as the Organization of African Unity on May 25, dubbed Africa Day by its General Assembly. The intergovernmental organization, established in 1963 with 32 signatories, have gone through many changes including names and expanded to include 55 member countries throughout the African continent. This year's celebration theme is Our Africa, Our Future, with the media urged to seize the opportunity in shaping narrative about Africa by telling the story on the journey of the continent since May 25, 1963. Activities to mark the event will be commemorated throughout the member countries, in which they will showcase major successes, milestones, challenges, and ways forward under Agenda 2063. With this spirit in mind and the idea homegrown media can play in shaping narrative about Africa in the local and international stage, African Renaissance Television Services has prepared an event with partners to celebrate African unity, showcasing African culture as well as create a space for dialogue between leaders and civil societies in shaping Africa's narrative as well as challenges it faces. The event, said to be hosted in Skylight Hotel in Addis Ababa on Africa Day, will have workshops, cultural showcases that include a fashion show inspired by African garments, leather works, and a dinner gala with cuisines to be served from African countries represented. African Renaissance has seen the event as fundamental for its expansion into the African media landscape and hopes to organize an event worthy of the status of Addis Ababa as a global diplomatic hub.